This video, let's discuss few basic aspects and tricks to make the formula easy to remember and understand. So with this, the formulas that you found difficult will become a lot easy. Well, we'll begin with our flow of the topic. So we're going to discuss cube, cuboid, circle, cylinder, cone, sphere, and then hemisphere and frustum. So these are the sequence of things that we're going to learn. And in each of this, we are looking at TSA, LSA, volume, area, circumference, so on and so forth. So what is this TSA? TSA stands for total surface area, while CSA stands for curved surface area. LSA stands for lateral surface area. Let me show you a live example so that we understand things better. Here we have a cube and a cylinder. So total surface area of a cube is nothing but the area of all the 6 faces that the cube has. Right? Cube has 6 faces, is it not? The sum of all of those faces is your total surface area. While when it comes to a cylinder, it is the top, bottom, and the curved part of the cylinder, this part of the cylinder, that makes up your total surface area. Now, second one is your curved surface area. A cube and a cuboid does not have a curved surface area because there is no curved face, is it not? Unlike a cylinder which has a curved face, right? We can see over here, this is your curved face, right? This and this are your curved face. The top and the bottom are not your curved face. These are flat. So this is your curved surface area of a cylinder. Similarly, we have curved surface area of a cone, sphere. Yeah, I think that's it. So cube and cuboid does not have a curved surface area part. Last one is lateral surface area. Lateral means excluding the top and the bottom, whatever surface area is remaining, that is your lateral surface area. Basically the sides. So if I remove the top and the bottom, the rest of the structure is your lateral surface area. The sides are your lateral surface area. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your lateral surface area, and this entire thing is again your lateral surface area of the cylinder. This is with respect to your cube. So basically the left, right, forward and backward faces of a given structure, we can call it as lateral surface area. Okay, it's a basic rough definition. It's not the definition. Excluding the top and bottom, everything else we can consider to be lateral surface area. Now, there are few aspects that will help us to remember the formulas and help us understand the formulas better. That is your dimensional aspect. So what is this dimensional aspect? We'll be understanding in the next slide, and analyze the formula to see anything familiar. So we'll make use of this too to remember and understand a formula better. To help us remember the formulas, we will be making the following observation. One is the dimensional aspect of the formula, and another is analyzing the formula to say anything familiar. So this will be clear as and when we start doing all of this, formulas of all of these structures. Now we'll look into the dimensional aspect of things. Any point, vertex, so on and so forth, the dimension associated with is 0. It has no dimensions. Anything to do with length, height, breadth, perimeter, circumference, these are said to be one-dimensional things. Length, height, breadth, perimeter, circumference, all of this is said to have one-dimensional things. Anything to do with area is of 2 dimension. Anything to do with volume is of 3 dimension. Okay. How and why? I have taught it in the basics, so please watch over there. I won't go to the details over here. So all you have to know is anything to do with point and vertex 0, anything to do with all of this is 1, any kind of area is 2 dimension, any kind of volume is 3 dimension. How will this help? This will help in correcting the formula. I'll explain that as and when we learn again. So there is a small note again regarding area and volume. Area always looks in this format. It is a multiplication of constant into some kind of length into another length. Okay, so always remember, area always has to do with a multiplication of a constant length into length. Again, we'll give examples and then understand better. I'm just giving you guys an introduction, so in time you'll understand this better. When it comes to volume, it's a constant into a length into length into length. Okay, a constant into a length 1, length 2 into length 3. There are 3 lengths that are getting multiplied. Here there are 2 lengths that are getting multiplied. Or you can look at it in this way, a constant into an area into the third length. So we have a constant into an area into the third length, length 3. Again, we'll understand this with logic, we'll understand this with examples, and we will make use of all of this dimensional aspect and other things whatever listed to understand and remember the formulas better. So what I would like you guys to write down is what is the TSA, CSA and LSA, and which has total surface area, lateral surface area or curved surface area. You need to understand that. So that is something that you guys have to note down. I would actually prefer you guys noting down pretty much everything. It will help you guys remember the formulas better, because kids struggle with formulas that I've seen. And the way they understand and remember it, it's altogether wrong. So the right way of understanding and remembering it will help you not only this particular grade, in any future grades. So please learn the way I'm going to teach you guys. So first thing is, I would like you guys to note down all of this.